Alright guys, and we're on the World Series numbers. Type live, 10:08 p.m. We are live. 10:08 p.m. 10:08 p.m. Grab the list up here for the World Series. Alright, got them here. 10 entries. Drop them in. Alright, there we are. 10 entries. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have 5. That's good. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 times. Dice is at 5. Next click. Got our numbers. And 5. Got our numbers. Bill Herman all the way down to Jake on the bottom. 10:09. We'll let it click over. We are done. 10:09. We will type done. We are done. 10:09 p.m. 10:09 p.m. Verification timestamp.